Greater Anglia is offering the chance for young individuals aged 18 to 25 the chance to complete a 3-week work scheme. Today we're talking to previous successful applicants of the First Step into Rail scheme to understand just how this scheme benefits you. Today we're interviewing Matthew, a previous successful candidate of the First Step into Rail scheme here at Beauty Park Station.
When I finished my full-time education, my dad sent me the application process for the Step into Rail scheme. Went along to the first day, feeling a little bit nervous because I wasn't sure what it was all going to be like. I introduced myself, everyone else introduced themselves, and then break, I think we started to all talk to each other. The scheme helped me build my confidence up and give me an understanding of what the rail industry is like, and I also gained practical knowledge from customer service, teamwork and the rail safety, all from my experience in the rail scheme. It's also built my confidence up to be able to now socialise more with people I don't really know. Favourite day-to-days in the Step into Rail scheme was at Cambridge railway station as one of my trips to see a background of all the rail staffs, what they would do on a day-to-day basis at the station. So I got to see an insight of customer service, the ticket office, dispatch and passenger assistant, and the staff basically gave me an overview of what they do in each of those roles. So one piece of advice I would give to someone that's wanted to compete in the Step into Rail scheme is, don't be afraid to go out of your comfort zone. Small challenges can help you gain skills and gain your confidence up.